It can be thought that radium may become very dangerous in criminal hands.
This is Colonel Tibbetts on the Enola Gay. Do you receive Washington? Over.
Receiving you, Colonel Tibbetts. Over.
Washington, Captain Robert Lewis has just informed me little boy is now live. Permission to drop. Over.
Permission granted, Colonel. Over.
Here the question can be raised whether mankind benefits from knowing the secrets of nature, whether it is ready to profit from them, or whether this knowledge will not be harmful to it.
On my mark. 3, 2, mark.
The example of the discoveries of Nobel is characteristic, as high-power explosives have enabled man to perform wonderful work. They are also a terrible means of destruction in the hands of great criminals who would lead the peoples towards war. I am one of those who believe, with Nobel, that mankind will derive more good than harm from these new discoveries.